deep and it's not staying here. It's going to meet us at the end. So, and it's just another reminder of the age gap. All I hear from this row is, all I hear from here is, oh my God, what's going on? So, we're in great hands this morning. So, we've got Mark who's going to give us some great commentary this morning. We're looking for marine life and important spectacular scenery. If you've got any questions along the way, please ask. If you see anything, just let us know and we'll do our best to stop for it. We are not going to go fast today. It's only when we're passing open areas like this and it'll be a bit cooler. Otherwise, we're hugging the